Hey everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Jean True Love from True Love Quilts for You. I have made a video just a couple days ago, and before I upload it, I'm just going to put this short little video here. I just don't feel like putting the other video up that I made. It's concerning my next quilting project, so that is to come. But today is the Thursday, September 29th, and like the rest of you around the world, we are witnessing via the news the devastation in Florida. I was sitting here crying. I'm just so, you can't do anything if, other than our prayers and contributions or donations or relief work somehow to help the poor people in Florida. We had the Fort Myers and the Naples area and all the way across central Florida, as you know, has been decimated by Hurricane Ian. And I tell you, my husband is named Ian, and he was rather quite seriously upset because, it's the worst hurricane, and it's, people will associate the name Ian with this terrible, terrible tragedy that is struck Florida and the people there. It was just so terrible. The images that we're seeing are horrific, absolutely horrific. So I thought I just want to extend my thoughts and prayers to, if anybody of you viewers out there obviously aren't watching YouTube right now, you're praying for your life or your livelihood, where to begin? And I guess it hits me a little bit more personal. You must excuse me. It hits me a little bit more personal because on a smaller scale, we were affected by a hurricane. We were rendered homeless with flooding and a tornado and hurricane last year. So every time I see rain, as you know, I don't like the rain. I don't like water. I don't like flooding. And this on an unprecedented scale. And I was just sitting here thinking, I'm not going to put up my other silly little video about quilting right now. I just wanted to extend my love and the True Love's love, and my lovely husband Ian, who's a nice guy, who doesn't come in like that storm. All we can do is sit here and pray for your sanity, and for right now it seems as if lives are going to be lost in the rescue and recovery effort of the thousands of people, who knows. So anyway, I just wanted to pass on our love and our prayers to any of you affected, and to the rest of us, we count our blessings every day. The things that are happening in the world, the evil, and the weather patterns changing. It's as I said, unprecedented. Talk about living in turbulent times. Anyway, I hope you're all having a safe day, and I always say take care. I really mean that. Take care. Love your loved ones, and each day we take as a blessing that we're not affected by horrible things like that. So anyway, love from the True Loves, folks. Take care.